Please watch Don Cristobal Runway Model Search, the LGBTQIA Plus edition. How does it feel that you all are participating in the first ever Runway Model Search?
It feels so good to be here, actually, to be honest, because it's actually for here for Don Cristobal, so we feel elated.
Aside from that guts, what is do you think is so important for you to be a winner?
Your confidence and of course your personality that you show to the people, even if you're not talking or telling to them that you are one of a kind, that you are a special and unique person. So
But LGBTQIA itself is already a bashing thing, di ba? Parang binabash na yan. It's because there is a prototype of being a model. And, di ba, kailangan ba yung magandang damitan, slim, and tall. And not all of you are qualified. So, what's your narrative about that? Anyone can answer?
First, when you're a model, you're representing not just yourself, but the people behind every individual person. Like, kapag nagmamodel po is like, di ba, nag-wear po ng every kind of t-shirt. Hindi lang naman po nag-wear ng sa, like, for instance, for medium, may different kinds of sizes din. So, dapat po hindi tayo nagbe-base sa, like, skinny. Dapat nagbe-base din po tayo. Wala pong stereotype na dapat skinny ka lang, matangkad, etc. So, dapat po open for all.
So what can you say about all the bashing that we are getting? Siyempre, us being an LGBT and being transparent and being visible and now going into the world of fashion.
So it makes us inspiring and motivating, especially if we are bashed. And I think it is one of the top priorities na dapat ipagpatuloy pa rin ng mga LGBT yung awareness through fashion and through arts. Yun lamang
You
po.
invite everyone na manood dito sa ating Runway Model Search and tingnan kung sino talaga ang tatanghaling winner. Of course, the first ever winner. Exciting, isn't it?
I'm inviting everyone to please do support us in the upcoming Don Cristobal Runway Model Search every Thursday here in Bar Zero. And we are very happy to showcase what we have so that we can inspire other people. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good luck, everyone. And
Of
of course,
course,
LGBTQIA plus support for each and every one of you.